why caring less makes women care more. If we look around in society, we are just taught to care more than the woman cares. If we watch an average sitcom on TV or one of the average mushy romantic movies, we are taught and trained to care more. But ironically, reality says otherwise. It truly does. And why does that happen? Why is it whenever you care less, she starts to care more? Because she knows you feel worthy to be with her. That's all. She knows you feel worthy to be in her presence without trying too hard. When you don't feel worthy to be with her, when you don't feel entitled to that level of hotness, you're going to be tripping over your own feet. You're going to be going over the top on everything. And it comes down to kind of self-worth, but also maybe you haven't dated hot women yet. So maybe you're just getting used to this, right? And later on, when you get used to that level of hotness, you tend to treat them more like the women you were not as attracted to before. The ones that you dated that you were kind of, they're nice and she's kind of cute. And you start to treat the really hot ones like that. And really what's happening is you're just being yourself, okay? It isn't normal to live on eggshells 100% of the time when you're with a hot woman. It's not normal to be going overboard on everything because you're not even being yourself. Can you honestly look in the mirror and tell yourself, I am being myself when I'm going over the top for these hotties? No, no. So this isn't just about a game. This is about you're not being yourself, okay? And that translates into her mind, like I said, like a lack of confidence, a lack of belief in yourself, a lack of worthiness. And really you should be able to stand before her without any concern, without any extra effort to impress her. And when you come from that position of, I'm going to be myself, she either likes me or she doesn't, you're not really worried anymore. You're not really going the extra mile. It's just, this is the gift. I'm sitting here with you right now. You're having a drink and I'm sitting here and I'm the gift. Check this out. You're not literally saying this, but you're thinking that in your mind. I am the gift. I'm a gift to this chick. That's your mindset. It's not coming from, oh my gosh, she's so hot. I want to like, oh man, I got to order this. I got to make sure this is right. Oh, and should I pick her up too? I'm going to make sure I'm actually early instead of late. And then I'm going to make sure I wear this particular outfit because if I don't, then she might think I'm this way. Like all this bull crap that you have, this conversation you have in your head, you don't understand how bad you're looking. I mean, how do I know? I've been there and it's the worst thing. And a lot of times we'll lie to ourselves and say, well, I'm being confident, you know, and I'm being myself. And then sometimes you'll see your friends or your family and they'll be like, you're not being yourself. And so over the years, you kind of develop in this. So that's what I want to talk about really, that this isn't something that's going to fix overnight. You've got to just roll the sleeves up, get to work, and go out with hotties. That's what you have to do. There's no other way. There's no other way. You don't go from never dating any beautiful women to suddenly you're dating 9s and 10s and it just feels like before, okay? It doesn't work that way. You're gonna have some nerves in the process. You're gonna have some anxiety in the process. You're gonna make mistakes. But the truth is, guys, at least you're doing it. At least you're going for it. But you're gonna find how to be yourself throughout that process. Understand, it can take several years. It can take 5 years, 10 years to get to the point where you are yourself and you're caring less to where she will care more than you. So just know that. It takes time to get there. And how you get there is through exposure. How you get there is through self-awareness and exposure. Being self-aware and saying, how really am I acting? Am I getting nervous? And when you can honestly say, I am no longer uptight, when I no longer care what I wear, when I no longer really put too much thought into these dates and everything we're doing, you know you've arrived, okay? And nobody can tell you that but yourself. So thank you for watching this video today. I encourage you to work one-on-one with me to get individual help in your dating life and in your confidence life. You guys have a great day. Be empowered.